My name's Dan Konopka. I am the founding member of the band OK Go. I've been a drummer for over 35 years. Most recently, I have become a producer, mixing, and session drummer for people all over the world. I usually ask them for stems of whatever music that they're working on. And then I take those stems and I make my own session or bring it into the recording studio and play drums to it. And then as soon as I'm done doing my thing, I package it in a way that's easy to digest and use, and I send it back to them. SoundBetter has helped me in a bunch of ways. First of all, it's really allowed me a way to be more creative. It's pushed me out of some comfort zones, gotten me involved with projects that I just never would have had a chance of being involved in. Global music collaboration and SoundBetter, I think, are a perfect fit. I think that what they've got set up right now has really made it a very easy highway between people from different countries and different cultures to get the musical work they want to get done. One of the things that's kind of great about working with these independent artists is that you can get a wide variety of quality of recordings. Sometimes things are really not great. Almost every time I'm in a situation like that, I ask them, is there any way that you can get me another recording of your vocal or of this drum set? And since I've been doing a lot of session work, I've been using these AKG mics, and I've been learning about how to mic something. And I've suggested to some drummers to go to get medium grade, entry-level microphones that are like drum set packs, where you can set up overhead mics and individual drum mics. And these sort of things are available through HARMAN. They're very inexpensive. And if I'm given a full drum set recording, I'm gonna make a vastly better final product for your song and for your music. So I know HARMAN has a lot of different microphone packs. And actually one client recently, we had done a rap album, and his microphone that he was using was not good. So I sent him on a little bit of a treasure hunt to look through different microphones, and I sent him links to the HARMAN site and links to other, more like instructional microphone tutorials and things like that. And he went ahead and re-recorded his vocals, and for me it was just so obvious a better recording. I was able to put it in the session, and in no time we had a much better product.